Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog, all about Undas recap. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, at views. Aabuti ng 500 if supportin natin sa ating social media account. Today's latest vlog, 383 episode 383 entitled Undas 2025. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin panoorin ang highlights. Okay, eto na. Yesterday ay November 1 is All Saints Day, and today November 2 All Souls Day naman. Kasi may pasok na siya. For our recap all about the All Saints Day yesterday, pumunta ako sa The Heritage Park in Taguig City. Ayan, eto na. Yung Heritage Park is located in Taguig City. Kung saan kasama po yung mga immense line at pati yung dinner department departed para sa gunitaan ng All Saints Day yesterday. Last parenting pakain. Libre pakain for all the families and time. And of course, binigay na mga pasulubong pag-uwi. And of course, picture na ako. Picture na ako. Paulit-ulit, 2 beses. Ayan, picture. At syempre, thank you sa ating pumunta sa Heritage Park yesterday. After the Heritage Park was supposedly gusto pumunta sana sa the Grand Canal in Venice Mall. Kaso lang, walang parking. Sayang naman. Paano na to? Meron pa pang next time. May next time naman. Okay, ilang paralan na yung undas. Dapat paligid at suot ng face mask at syempre, tinatawag po natin ay cooperation is key. And of course, dapat yung basura, para malinis po yung basura, para hindi mahirapan nakaroon ng tambak ng and magsuot tayo ng face mask. And for our equipment ay hindi pwedeng sound equipment para maiwasan po yung mga tao nakaroon ng sound equipment or Undas 2025. And of course, syempre, kung magpunta ka sa cemetery, dapat bili ka ng bulaklak at candles. Syempre, maging ligtas tayo na yung Undas 2025. Ligtas tayo. Sana mag-enjoy for our latest vlog for today. See you next time for more of our latest vlog on Gabby's Vlog. See ya! Bye! God bless!